Okay, hello guys, I am back again. Today I am going to solve miscellaneous problems on rectification of error, that is PQ4. We need to solve here PQ PQ4. Now let's see the question. One number, give the journal entry to rectify the following. Okay. Now we need to solve a purchase of goods from Mr. Ram amounting to rupees 15,000 has been wrongly entered through the sales book. So a purchase of goods from Mr. Ram. So we have purchased a goods from Mr. Ram. So if we purchase a goods from Mr. anybody, so we need to do goods. For goods we need to debit purchase account. So here purchase account debit. So how much? 15,000. This is the rectification of error. So we can write correct entry and wrong entry this side. So purchase account debit 15,000. We need to credit to Mr. Ram 15,000. Now it has been wrongly entered through the sales book. It has told books, so this is always in, if said book, then we need to do credit. That is all the credit entry. So we can write Mr. Ram account debit to sales 15,000. So why I have done Mr. Ram account debit? Because has been wrongly entered through the sales book. It has been sold, so sales is always credit to sales, and we need to debit Mr. Ram. Mr. Ram has got the goods, so this is wrong entry. Now we can do purchase account debit, that's 15,000. Purchase account is 15,000 to Mr. Ram. Mr. Ram here is credit, so, and here is debit. This side is debit. So we can, but in the wrong entry, here is debit, but if we need to correct this Mr. Ram accounts, in wrong entry there is debit, so we need to credit it. If in wrong entry here to Mr. Ram 15,000, Mr. Ram account 15,000 plus, in order to this also we need to credit, so 15,000. Yes. Now here is to sales, correct, it is wrong entry, so we need to, this is credit and it is wrong entry, so we need to cancel credit. So to cancel credit we need to do debit. Sales account debit 15,000. Yes, this is correct. Like this we need to solve the questions. Now I want to solve 5-number question. 5 number, this is very important. 5-number question. Okay, let's read the question. A check for rupees 1,000 received from Mr. Man Bahadur was returned has been posted to the debit of sales return account. Okay, a check for rupees 1,000 received from Mr. Man Bahadur So we have received a check, so it has been dishonored. So in dishonored case, we in a dishonored case we need to debit Mr. Ram and credit bank. So in dishonored case, Man Bahadur, sorry Man Bahadur, here is Man Bahadur. So if we receive check, we do bank account debit. So in order to, if the check is dishonored, then we to cancel bank account we need to credit. So dishonor gets to bank 1000 and Mr. Man Bahadur is debited 1000. No, and had been posted to the debit of sales return account. So sales return account is already debited. Sales account debit 1000. Now we need to credit to Mr. Man Bahadur. How much? 1000. So this is correct entry. This is a wrong entry. So what can we do is, okay, Mr. Man Bahadur, Mr. Man Bahadur account, here debit 1000 rupees, correct entry this is. So debit 1000, and here is also this we need to cancel credit because this is wrong entry. So in order to cancel credit we need to debit. So debit 1000. Now to bank 1000 and to bank, this is correct entry, so credited only. Now this is the debit. In order to cancel this we need to credit to sales return account 1000. Now this is correct. Okay, thank you guys.